Bullish Ergo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $7.52 and $14.20 by 2030. Market examiners accept Ergo could reach $5.85 by 2025. Bearish Ergo market cost expectation for 2023 is $1.34. Ergo presentation. Ergo is a blockchain with DeFi functionalities. It has a remarkable mix of top elements from two of the best performing crypto projects, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ergo gets brilliant agreements from Ethereum for its DeFi capacities and utilizations a POW agreement like Bitcoin for getting its organization. Ergo's mining convention is designated Autolycos, which is a changed variant of the mining convention utilized by Bitcoin. This convention is intended to oppose ASIC excavators and enormous mining pools, making it profoundly energy effective. Ergo likewise restricts the digging size for every hub, which further battles the negative natural effect of the POW convention used by Bitcoin. The Ergo token. Ergo likewise engages designers to fabricate dApps on its programmable blockchains, which are utilized by Sigma SD and Ergo Sales Management Firm, among numerous others. Ergo has a novel stance contrasted with other programmable blockchains like Ethereum, as it doesn't need exchange or gas expenses. We will likewise be taking a gander at the typical cost, least cost esteem, greatest cost, current cost, most extreme worth, and any Ergo's endlessly cost rise. This framework's critical benefit is unsurprising improvement costs, permitting engineers to know the specific costs and choose if they wish to assemble dApps on the Ergo stage. One more variety in the Ergo blockchain is ErgoScript, Ergo's pre-ranging language, close by furnishing engineers with more noteworthy adaptability and usefulness. The language permits clients to make scripts at low expenses productively, with the Ergo group continually working to make the program safer and productive. The Ergo network is turning out to be more qualified to DeFi applications with time. What is Ergo? The Ergo blockchain has its own non-custodial decentralized trade called Ergo DEX. Utilizing a lengthy UTXO model, it empowers clients to move liquidity dividing among numerous stages Cardano organizations and Ergo. ErgoDex depends on the AMM, with tentative arrangements to execute a request book convention on its liquidity pools. This consolidation of a request book convention with an AMM convention is made conceivable via Cardano's and Ergo's UTXO model. The model takes into consideration high interoperability and shared liquidity on the two blockchains. Clients are all boosted to help the ErgoDex environment. Ergo specialized investigation. While considering Ergo's possibilities, the venture unquestionably has recognizable characteristics that could impel future development. Consolidating a changed POW convention with savvy contracts gives Ergo more noteworthy energy productivity in light of higher protection from enormous mining pools. The Ergo blockchain additionally doesn't need exchange expenses or gas like Ethereum and others, further bringing down the passage edge for potential designers keen on building applications on the Ergo stage. As of not long ago, Ergo's group appears to have zeroed in more on specialized improvement than advertising. Notwithstanding that, the Ergo coin is as yet seeing critical cost increments and advancing onto extra crypto trades. In the event that the group pursues more far-reaching advertising, Ergo might actually explode. As the stage at present stands, just the future can figure out if Ergo's unmistakable innovative highlights are enough for the stage's development. Ergo current cost. Ergo is right now worth $1.67 USD. Ergo has moved 2.55% as of now with an exchanging volume of $870,371. Ergo is right now positioned 257 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $97,632,759 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling disparity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Ergo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Ergo market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Ergo Value Forecast 2023. Ergo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Ergo cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $2.51. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $2.34 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Ergo is supposed to have a base worth of $2. Ergo Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Ergo cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Ergo will before long outperform $4.18. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Erg's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market unpredictability. Ergo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $3.34 and a typical exchanging cost of $3.67. Ergo Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $5.85 and Ergo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Ergo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $5.35 and a low of $5.01 in 2025. Ergo Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Ergo effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees, the Ergo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Ergo will be green in 2026. The Ergo is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $7.52, with a base cost of $6.68 and a typical cost of $7.02. Ergo Value Forecast 2027. After some broad watching and specialized examination, we gauge the Ergo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $8.69 by 2027, with a base cost of $8.35 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Ergo has a most extreme value worth of $9.19. Ergo Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $10.36. On the off chance that Ergo figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $10.86. Neglecting to accumulate the help Ergo needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $10.02. Ergo Value Expectation 2029. While Ergo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $11.69 and a yearly cost close above $12.53 in 2029. Ergo Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Ergo will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $13.36 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $14.20, averaging out at $13.70. Ergo Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Ergo cost in 2031 is projected to be $16.37